Hello, it's Andrew Pancioli from the Market Timing Report. It's Monday the 15th of January, and our Commitment of Traders data platform following the update on Friday night is showing some really interesting things. So let me just draw your attention. Anything that's highlighted here and in different colours shows an extreme of potential movement. And what's really interesting me at the moment is the soy complex. And within the soy complex, we want to take a look at soybean oil. And what's been happening here is really interesting. If we look at the behavior of the smart money, so remember the Commitment of Traders data is legal insider information. It shows us what the smart money is doing. And what we've been seeing is that the smart money have been buying and selling less. Well, normally that's a sign that when the smart money is usually a net seller, they're the producers. They want to sell their stuff and they want to get the best price for it. But when they start buying, it suggests there's possibly going to be a shortage, which tends to lead to rises in prices. So first of all, if we see this, what they've also done recently is they've gone net long. They usually have, they're usually below the line of being net short because they're always selling. They're selling and selling as the price goes up. But the price has now come down on soybean oil, and we've hit the 100% area on our index, which puts us on alert to look for a potential bull move. And more importantly, the data shows that actually they've reached this extreme and they are net long. So this is really interesting. Now, what can we do with this information? Well, we can now see how we can harness this. And on any regular year, using our seasonality techniques here, we're around about here right now, we tend to see lows. The blue line is the average seasonality of all the years. So that's what happens when you average each year out. But the golden line is we have a little proprietary formula, and what we do tend to look at is when both the blue and gold lines are moving the same direction, we've got a much stronger idea of a potential move, unlike here where the seasonality might fail. So what we're seeing here is that the Commitment of Traders data here for mid-January is showing that we might be heading towards a bullish scenario within soybeans. And then we're also seeing that the seasonality, certainly by the end of this month, gets very strong, and it actually starts looking quite bullish right now. So bear all this in mind, and let's bring another factor into play. Now here is our proprietary profit-finding oracle system. This is a system that we use in our market timing report, and it's all about bringing time cycles together and projecting them into the future. So what we see here is actually just the weekly cycles we're looking at here. And wherever these cycles tend to peak, so like this, we tend to see changes in trend. Now these are known in advance. That's the key thing. These are known in advance. So you can see there was a peak, there was a high, there was a low there. Again, we got just a little bit early there, but leading up to that point there. And as you can see, as we go forward, this major high was forecast well in advance. The stronger the peak, the more defined the turn. This one here and this point here. And what we're seeing right now is we've got a peak coming up. So I think we could well be at a significant turning point coming up here in the price of soybean oil, and we could well be looking for a point there at which we might see a reversal to the upside. So obviously we would use our own trading and investing methods and risk management techniques before entering this. And by the way, you can also see some significant points coming up as we enter April. So it might well be this move continues up into April. So I hope that helps. Some other bits and pieces are that the 2024 year ahead report, which looks at the key factors that are going to be hitting the markets and geopolitics and how we can protect our assets and also take advantage of what's coming up ahead. That's going to be out in the next 24 hours. It's already just being prepared to go out. And of course, the market timing report, you can get that from markettimingreport.com. So hope this helps. If you want to know more about the platform, please have a look in the link below. Please give me a like if you found this information useful, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.